Hello，大家好，Bonjour à tous，我是莱恩，坐标巴黎，会讲中英法俄3门语言。最近有许多朋友问我怎么样的开始练习瑜伽，那么今天我就带给大家一套基础入门瑜伽，练一遍只需几分钟，却能够照顾到全身主要的经络，有效的活跃身心。这就是瑜伽的拜日式。通过瑜伽获得健康，顺便开阔眼界，学学外语。准备好了吗？让我们开始吧。
Thank you for coming to a yoga mat with me. Today we're practicing Sun Salutation-A. Inhale and exhale, come to the top of your yoga mat. With your mountain pose, just feel your breath. Feel your heart being open. Slowly inhale, hands to the sky. Relax your shoulders. Exhale, hands to your heart. Inhale again, hands to the sky. Exhale, fall all the way down to the floor, forward fold. Inhale, 90-degree flat back. Exhale, send your hands to your yoga mat. Send your foot backwards. Come to your first plank. With your plank, remember, keep your hands directly under your shoulders. Squeeze your glutes. Squeeze your inner thighs. Firm core. Inhale and exhale. Feel your breath. Continue with your beautiful breath. With your next exhale, lower downward to the floor. Inhale, cobra. Feel your lower back. Maybe look to the right, to the left. Gentle stretch. Flex your feet with your next exhale. Downward dog. Send your pelvis back. Send your heart towards your knees. First down dog here. Relax your knees. Relax your feet. Breathing in and out. Slowly look at your hands. Start to walk towards your hands. Come back to forward fold. Inhale, 90-degree monkey. Exhale, lower down, forward fold again. Inhale all the way up, hands to the sky. Exhale, hands to your heart. Great job. With your next inhale, send your hands up to the sky again. Exhale, lower down all the way to the floor, forward fold. Inhale and exhale, flat back. And send your foot back. Come to your second plank here. Strong plank. Push your hands firmly into your yoga mat. And breathe. Feel your core, long, beautiful neck. And exhale, lower forward and downward to the yoga mat. Inhale, cobra again. Find what feels good to your body. Look to the right, to the left. Relax your neck. Beautiful. And exhale, we go back to downward dog. Second down dog here. Walk your feet, pedal your feet. Feel your hamstring, your heart sinking more closer to your knees. Very good. Slowly walk your feet to your hands again. Come to forward fold. With your next inhale, let's come to the monkey pose. Exhale, lower down to the floor. Very good. Inhale again, all the way to the sky, hands pointing up. Exhale, hands to your heart. Continue with your beautiful long breath. Inhale again, shooting your hands up to the sky. Exhale, hands down to the floor, forward fold. Inhale, 90-degree monkey pose. Exhale, lower down. Hands on the floor. Exhale, send your foot back. Very good. Plank pose. Breathing in and out, lower down to your floor, Chaturanga. Inhale, up, cobra. Long, beautiful neck, shoulders away from your ears. Feel your lower back. Inhale and exhale, send your hips back, downward dog. Walk your feet, start to feel the heat being built up. Brilliant job. Continue, let your breath become long and deep. Feel your down dog. Feel the heat being built up. Very good. Slowly look at your hands. Walk towards your hands again. Come to forward fold. Inhale, 90-degree monkey. Exhale, lower down. Very good. Inhale. Slowly send your hands up to the sky again. And exhale, hands to your heart. Beautiful. Continue focus on your breath. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Send your hands to the sky again. Exhale and downward to your forward fold. Inhale 90-degree. Exhale, send your feet backwards to your plank. Continue feel your plank. Continue feel how your body feels. Chaturanga lower downward. And inhale, cobra. Flex your feet. Exhale, downward dog. Continue walk your feet. Continue feel your down dog. Continue feel the connection. And slowly getting ready to come to forward fold. Look at your hands. Walk your feet towards your hands. Beautiful. Inhale and exhale. And slowly monkey. And then inhale up to the sky. High mountain. Exhale. Hands to your heart. Last round. Inhale, hands to the sky. Exhale, lower all the way down, forward fold. Inhale, 90-degree monkey. Exhale, send your foot back, come to plank again. Last plank here. Continue, feel the connection. Continue, feel the inner fire. Continue with your breath. Exhale, lower down. Inhale, cobra. Last cobra here. You can find what feels good and do whatever that makes you feel nice. Inhale and exhale. Flex your feet. Send your hips back. Downward dog. Very good. Last down dog here, my friend. Just continue relax your body with your long, beautiful breath. Maybe, if you want to, look at your hands and getting ready to hop back to your hands. Inhale and exhale. Feel your last forward fold. Next inhale, halfway lift, and exhale, lower down. Inhale all the way up, hands to the sky. Exhale, hands to your heart. Slowly bring your hands all the way to your third eye, just in between your eyebrow. With love and gratitude, we say Namaste.
怎么样？喜欢拜日式吗？每一个清晨都可以用拜日式来迎接新一天的到来，一呼一吸，一体一事。每一次的练习都是对生活的感悟和对生命的感恩。如果喜欢我的频道，记得关注、点赞和转发。如果有任何问题，都可以留言告诉我。您的支持是我最大的动力。也记得常常回来，让我们在每一个视频里面一起变得更好。Namaste。